A man visits the doctor complaining that his wife is hard of hearing. The doctor says, stand behind her and ask her a question. If she doesn't answer, move closer and ask again until she hears you. That evening, he stands 10 feet behind his wife and asks, "What's for dinner?" No response. He moves closer and asks again. Still nothing. Finally, he's right next to her and asks a third time. She turns around, exasperated, and says, "For the third time, it's chicken." Who's better at listening in your family? Tell us. Tell us.